إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Under the initiative of Jamia Arabia Jaida Mongol Women's Section, a blessed Dua Mahfil has been organized on the completion of the recitation of the Noble Quran, Sahih al-Bukhari, and the remaining books of the Kutub Sitta. Distinguished scholars from across the country have been invited to grace this sacred gathering. On this honorable occasion, I would like to present a brief speech about Jamia Arabia Jaida Mongol University. Respected scholars, honorable teachers, and my dear students, Jaida Mongol Arabic University stands as a noble institution dedicated to the advancement of Islamic education and the nurturing of moral, intellectual, and spiritual excellence. Established with a vision to combine traditional Islamic scholarship with contemporary educational values, the university has become a center of learning where students are guided with sincerity, discipline, and compassion. One of the remarkable features of this institution is its commitment to providing high-quality Islamic education for women. The curriculum is designed to strengthen both religious understanding and personal character. The women's section offers a safe discipline and compassion. Jaida Mongol Arabic University places significant emphasis on mastery of the Arabic language. Moreover, the university is guided by a group of dedicated scholars. In essence, Jaida Mongol Arabic University is not merely an educational institution. May Allah bless this institution. Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.